Pollution, congestion, stress, and always rising fuel costs are some of the problems faced by individual travelers. These problems can be tackled to a great extent by vehicle pooling, but the present vehicle pool finding system is static in nature, which can be used among commutators which have a routine schedule only, thus limiting its reach. So we have come up with a novel idea which makes the present system dynamic. In our system, the telecom service provider will start a location-based service called dynamic vehicle pooling. At present, we use static carpooling system, in which carpool provider registers with his routine time and destination of travel, which is rendered useless when he travels out of his routine schedule. In case of dynamic carpooling, the network, by the help of network-based location determination, keep updating the system with the current plans of the carpool provider, beside their regular one, thus providing the carpool seeker with most accurate list of carpool providers in the zone. Initially, the service provider will divide a given region into a number of area codes. Now the people interested in carpooling will get registered to this service by providing their basic information and routine time and destination of travel. And here they will be provided with a list of area codes. Also, when the registered user has to travel out of his routine schedule, he just informs the network by sending the destination area code.
It's so contagious. It's so contagious.
Now the registered user seeking for a carpool will use the number provided by the service provider followed by the area code of the destination location.
About my mistake and all the things I did.
Here he will get a list of all the nearby carpool providers heading towards the desired destination location.
When I sleep at night, every night I hear the wind blowing and I feel so
Now, during the course of travel, the service provider, by the help of network-based location determination, will constantly keep updating the system, which will predict the route the driver is taking. Further, any other carpool seeker who has the same destination and same route will have the previously mentioned carpool provider in their list.
I tried, you won, now all the memories are gone.
By the year 2020, most of the cars will have a navigator system, and in some cases, cell phone itself will act as a navigator. When a carpool provider starts a journey, he feeds the destination location into the navigator and the path is calculated by it. Here the navigator will inform the network with these details. Also, the carpool seeker will have a handset that will also better communication option, which will take this service to a whole new level.